In this guide, I'll show you how to use an Instacart referral code. Instacart Referral code is a great way to save your money on grocery and help your friends earn rewards. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use a referral code during the sign-up process on Instacart. Download and install the Instacart application from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, tap the icon to open the app, and then tap Sign Up to start registration process. Fill your name, email address, and create a password. You may also need to enter your phone number. If your friend shared a referral link via email or text, click on the link and the referral will automatically apply. If not, through a referral link, open the Instacart app and go to your account settings. Navigate to the section where you can enter a referral code. Input the referral code provided by your friend and add a payment method such as credit, debit card, or PayPal account. Also enter your delivery address where you want your groceries to be delivered and provide any required information to complete your profile. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.